Gotta get down with this. Gotta get down with this. Gotta get down with this. If you wanna exist, you gotta get down with this.
Welcome back to the Cologne Caddie. I'm Adam Wisdom. Today's episode is more of a life hack for us fragrance connoisseurs who've smelled a little bit too much. What you may want to do is go ahead and get yourself some coffee, but not the liquid type. What you're going to do is get you about a pound of whole bean coffee. Find a nice little canning jar or maybe an old jelly jar you have lying around. Now this was gifted to me by Jerome Delane of Hip Bone Clothing. Very thoughtful gift and something I definitely will use and keep in the Cologne Caddie. He was here the other week and we were showing some new ones I had in, and he's like, "Hey man, got any coffee?" I'm like, And that's when he said, "You know what? You know what I'm gonna get that man for Christmas? Keep them whole bean, don't grind them up. Just pour them in there. And anytime you've been smelling too many fragrances, you wanna kind of reset, you just open it up, smell it, kind of reset your olfactory senses, and then make your decision on what cologne you're gonna wear for the day." That's all I have this week. Tune in on the next one where we're gonna unbox about 10 plus colognes that I bought over the Christmas holiday to finalize my 50 colognes for the first 50 episodes we're gonna be doing of the Cologne Caddie. I'm Adam Wisdom. This is my Cologne Caddie. Build your own collection as you follow along. Check back in as soon as you can. You will see me on the next one. I meant to say, you'll see me later. You'll see me next time. You'll see me next time. That's what I meant to say.
This is a dangerous group that we're dealing with now.
Piercing the devil with the golden rule. We're gonna walk this wicked foundation of this world when we roll through. Gotta get down with this. Gotta get down with this. Gotta get down with this. If you wanna exist, you gotta get down with this.